What's up, Shadrach? You and the girls want an afternoon snack? All right. I will get you a snack before I unload the 500 pounds of feed. This is Shadrach. He looks after his girls. He's a great rooster. He's only got one working eye, but that doesn't let him slow him down, does it, Shadrach? Right? Yeah. And when I put special treats out for the girls, he will not partake until he makes sure his girls get the treats. He'll pick it up and go take it to a girl, but he won't eat until he's satisfied that his ladies have ate first. You are a true gentleman, Shadrach, and I salute you. You're a great rooster. Oh, no. Now listen. I'm not just... don't argue with me. You're a great rooster. Okay? You're a great guy. People don't like false humility. Oh, now you're going to walk away. Now you're walking away. Do y'all see what I have to put up with? That's ridiculous. They're still going to get a snack.